Andiamo is an express permanent color. Cool? Development time, 10 minutes up to 15 minutes. So when you look at the color assortment for Andiamo, we have 12 shades.
Are they going to be adding more as we go along?
We're adding 3 in about a month and a half. Basically, the way we chose these is we wanted a brand, number one, to bring into the market. Number two, we wanted a brand that's going to enable us to get into accounts that we haven't been into before. We also wanted a brand that if we approached current users, you weren't going to go, oh my goodness, why do I want 50 more shades? So we came in with 12. And the way we chose the 12, so if you look at the 12 shades, you'll see that the ends are covered. We have gray coverage done. You'll see that we also have a 7A and the 9A. So when you're lifting to levels 7, 8, and 9, you have control. We have 2 high lifts, an 11N and 11A. Okay? Your 11 series in Andiamo is going to give you 4 levels of lift.
Okay. What's the ammonia base of this color?
Okay? The ammonia base is not any higher than the chroma. What makes it work is in the pigments. So we have a way of depositing a maximum amount of color in the hair in 10 to 15 minutes. And we do that, there is what's called a coupler dye technology, or a calibrated dye coupler. And basically what that is that's a pigment that develops fat. Oh, I'm getting a haircut today. I sure wish I could have a few foils. I don't have much time. Boom, you can do partial foils. Retouches, amazing. Balayage, amazing on natural
But on
hair.
virgin growth.
On virgin hair. Where you're really going to make the bulk of your opportunity is going to be on retouches. Okay?
Especially if they're solid white like I am. It's the whole point of this. That's why I wanted
That's
to
the
see this
beauty of
thing.
it. Yeah, that's the
That's
beauty.
why I'm using me as a guinea pig, because it covers this stubborn ass head of hair, I'm in.
All right, application time, 10 up to 15 minutes. Development time, 10 up to 15 minutes.
Would you recommend checking to make sure that 10 or 15 minutes is accurate enough for the process, or you wouldn't recommend going
Yes.
past 15?
I do not go past 15. It will go darker.
You notice how dirty I left it too for you?
No problem.
I put all, I got hairspray, everything.
I went to beauty school. It's all about dirty hair. So,
30 grams of 6N with 5 grams of 4N, just to make sure I get an NN base, because I've never used it.
is that how you would work with this brand in the salon?
What's that?
Let's go ahead and let's do that.
Okay.
Remember,
Do you
you've
think
got
I
the
could do the
power of
6N
timing.
would match me up?
Yes.
I mean, I'm gonna do this, you're the boss.
Listen, let's go with the 6NN, but let's play with our development time.
Okay, you mean the
Ooh,
6N?
because
The
it'll
6N.
go darker.
Okay,
And let's play with the development time.
Okay,
Because
so-
we can leave it on up to 15 minutes.
okay, cool.
That's
I'm gonna tell you guys, his development time is gonna be closer to 15 minutes.
Why I say that?
Because the hair is resistant, extremely resistant.
That's why I'm using me as a model.
Cooking.
15 minutes. Here we go. You want to go 15? Start with 10 or go 15?
He's gonna go 15.
Okay. I figured as such, but
Hey, I'm cool with 15. 15 minus 45 that I normally go, I'm in.
yeah, very true.
Already started.
That's very true.
I don't see any gray 15 minutes.
What happens if you do?
I could apply in a half hour, 6 to 15, do the cut, hour and a half each time. That's totally cool.
Well, I don't understand what we got all the pin. Look,
I know.
Did we cover?
we covered.
Yeah, that's like covered me.
All right.
Okay, for one.
Not bad, 15 minutes. I like that, you see? Come over here and take a closer look at Big Jack. Come over here and take a closer look at Big Jack.
We did straight.
I was a half 6 or half 5 or so. If we did straight 6, they're gonna be a little lighter on the roots.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's why I mean, I was gonna go for like a 5.
That's why I suggested we should have been the 6 with a couple grams in the 4. That's what I'll do next time.
Yeah. So look at that.
Looks very good.
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
Just a little darker.
Yeah, it looks good.
Coverage is there. Cool.
Muy bueno, señor. Muy bueno.
Thank you.